This week in the tip laboratory, I want to talk about how you can paint a snake skin on your hood or wherever you want to paint it. And it's gonna look like this. I hope the camera picks it up. There you go. First, I've wet sanded the old hood and painted black. Now you take an old mesh from garlic or onions or wherever you can find one and wrap it around that piece that you want to have the snake skin on it. And be aware, the tighter it is, the more you're gonna see the single scales, and the looser it is, the more it looks like ghost scales. So I did both so you can later on figure what you like better. Now we went here with a simple yellow, but you could do, of course, all kind of colors that you want. Green looks great too, or you could go from red to yellow, whatever is your preference. But now let us unwrap the whole thing. Now you can see where the mesh was loose, it's more like ghost scales, and where it was tight, you see these sharp edges. So you figure what you like better. But this was the tip of this week.